Hi guys, it's Lottie. This week for Succulent Sunday, I'm planting up an outdoor sempervirens and sedum planter. This is using rescue sempervirens, little plants that I found in our garden centre that, to be honest, are looking a bit rough, worse for wear because of the winter, but actually they've still got plenty of life left in them, and this is a great way to use them up. So if you're going shopping this weekend, go and have a look in the bargain basements of the garden centres, find yourself some lovely little sempervirens or little succulents, anything like that that can go outside, usually in the alpine section, and this is the perfect DIY showing you how to use them. My lovely little mixture that I've picked up, including a watering can planter. I've put drainage holes in the bottom and I'm using a gravel in the base of the planter too. My potting mixture's got a tiny bit of grit in just to help with drainage. Give it a tap to get rid of the air. You can see that I can squeeze quite a few different plants in here. I've chosen 3 main ones and they're all squeezing in beautifully. They don't need loads of root space, so don't worry about that. And actually it looks fuller and so much better. You can see I'm tearing off parts of plants, which won't hurt them at all. In fact, it will encourage them to grow even better, just to fill in that last little gap. Simple, quick and easy, and a great way to use up old sempervirens, succulents and sedums from a garden centre bargain basement. I really hope you enjoyed my video today. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Also comment down below for any other DIYs that you'd like me to have a go at.